Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Igbo Nono. Please feel free to hop over this video if you're not interested, because this is a requested video from a subscriber and I feel I should answer to it. This is a music from Osinachi feat. Ema Onyx, and the subscriber asked me to translate it in Igbo. The music is interesting. You can search for the music and of course sing along with what you can see as a translation. I also understand the music as well. I feel it will benefit all. Okay, let's go. Okay, you carry me when some carry their gods. You can see what it means in Igbo. The essence of this video is to translate it in Igbo as requested by the subscriber. You carry me when some you feed me, Lord, when some feed their gods. That's the translation in Igbo. Yes guys, so hope you enjoy it. You feed me, Lord, when some feed their gods. You fought for me when some fight for their gods. This is just the meaning is so in the heart. You fought for me when some fight for their gods. Jesus, you know they use me play role. Jesus, you know they use me play role. They carry me when some carry their gods. You carry me when some carry their gods. You feed me, Lord, when some feed their gods. You fought for me when some fight for their gods. You fought for me when some fight for their gods. Jesus, you know they use me play. Oh. Na 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 na. You know they use me play. Ikumaka mgbe ọzọ kwuchi ha n'aka, ị na-azụ dịka atụrụ, ị na-ekwe ka ihere mee m, ịbụ chi nke na-agbaghị ọnọdụ ọbụla nna. I'll not be singing very well because, of course, obviously I don't have her voice, but it will help. There's nobody like you. There's no mountain that can't be moved by you. The endless God. The life giver. Life changer. Jehovah bụ onye nchebe Chineke. Jehovah is a covenant keeping God, destiny helper, onye onyeka, mountain mover, onye na-akwa ugwu. You know, Jehovah bụ Chineke na-echebe Jehovah bụ onye na-echebe Chineke. So guys, that is basically it. Hope I'm able to reach the need of the subscriber who wanted this video. This is the translation. You can put on the music and of course sing and understand and follow the rhythm. I'm not a musician, but I'm just here to deliver because my subscriber wanted that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was able to send a message to the person who needed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't laugh at me while I was singing this song because I know I wasn't perfect like the person who sang it. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.